My mama don't like you, but she likes everyone. You wanna see the trail? Wala ra ni sa among giagian gahapon, but it's all
was so
worth it. And mamalik pa mi. Diba?
Yeah, the wind is blowing a lot of oxygen flowing around.
Yeah.
You can see
Magsugat na among gininhawa. Oh,
oh my goodness.
what is this soil?
It is a clay.
It's clay?
Oh, I think so.
Oh,
It's like a
it's so soft.
It's just so sticky.
Oh, look at that rock formation.
It's still a rock.
Amazing. Whoa, that's only in the Philippines. You wanna capture the moment? Picture. Dai, dali, dai. Sige. Look at the rock. Oh. Go. Oh. Asa na tong guide? Gisapot na to, kay? Langayan kay iyang mga kuyog. This is life. Kailangan ako documentation para sa mong project. Nakoy thesis gihimo. Diba mon? Naring kamot sa kag-imo? Naring kamot kag-imo? Oh, ka-nice. Tunga-tunga sa mais. Ato bang sa diri mon? Picture ko ba? Di siya magpa-picture. Sige na lang. Oh, the rock.
Oh my god, in the shoes itself, it's sticking a lot of clays and soils.
So, mo na yung gisakyan nga bato gahapon. Di ba kanya siya slide? What do you think?
To the end of the road.
Sakit na amo. Tiil. But that's fine. Okay. Tagsara kay ni. And then, gusto ko mabalik. Kasi gusto mo kuyog. Go na.